Shoes have really been my platform as a way to express my creative side, and it's the first thing I usually look at, and it's just something that always was a passion of mine. My name is Kevin Derr. I'm in the Sports Product Management program here at University of Oregon. Being from Minnesota, I was always obsessed with hockey. When I was really young, I actually was obsessed with drawing goalie equipment. That kind of transferred into shoes, and from there, it really sparked my interest in working in the sporting goods industry. I had a crazy imagination as a kid. I was always working with my hands. I had this little workbench, and my parents literally just let me sit there for hours just hammering the same nails. In my mind, I was imagining that I was a construction worker making my own designs and products. The first pair of shoes I had were Baby Tech Challenge Nikes. To this day, I still have the shoes, and I look at them constantly, and they remind me of why I'm on this journey and where I want to get to. I specifically knew that I wanted to design shoes and work in the footwear industry during my undergrad time at Iowa State, and during my time there, I was always focused on designing sporting goods at every possible project. My favorite part of the program is that we have access to what's called the Innovation Lab, where I can create and make the products that I'm trying to design. I think this is super beneficial because I can design it and then I can actually prototype and sample it and really bring that idea to life. Working in the Innovation Lab is really like a release for me. I lose track of time and everything else going around me, similar to how I felt when I was playing hockey growing up. A lot of my favorite designs are really simple ideas and bold looks. I really like to create shoes that are simple yet elegant, also modern, but has that iconic silhouette or iconic look. I think the most powerful trend going forward in the industry is this sustainable innovation. So creating products that are innovative yet sustainable at the same time. So saving waste and still making that athlete better. Because they're super comfortable, the constructions are amazing. I think you just get a very nice feel overall from a less constructed shoe, and that simplicity really performs better. One of my favorite parts about the program has been being able to travel around the whole world and really see the different parts of the industries. I've been able to go to Asia and experience the manufacturing side of the business. I've gone to Europe to see how that market retails their product, and then been able to go to New York to see how the US market really displays their product at retail. I actually was able to spend a whole summer living at a factory in Vietnam where I got to experience how these shoes are really manufactured and made. I worked in the product creation center where I saw all the designs coming in and how they were prototyped and sampled, and really got to see what goes into that whole stage of the process. I'd really like to go in the industry and work for a global footwear company. My dream job would be working in an environment where I can design footwear as well as prototype and make it. I still want to be focused in on that product creation area where I feel the most creative and can really bring innovative ideas to life. I chose the University of Oregon for the Sports Product Management program because there's really nothing else out there like it. And as a designer, I've really been able to see the whole product life cycle throughout the whole program. I've learned how you get your insights for consumers, how you start making a brief to get a design made, how that is transferred to development, into manufacturing, over to marketing, and then over into how it's going to be presented at retail and how it's going to be sold. So it's made me more well-rounded as a designer to go into the industry. A quote that's always stuck with me is, if you can sketch or design the most innovative product, but it can't be made, at the end of the day, it's a piece of artwork for the wall. So that's really what's ignited my passion to learn how to work with my hands and create the products that I'm actually designing.